Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to unveil the secret of Zumba dance to lose belly fat. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you with Alpha-Liin weight loss supplement, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Zumba is an aerobic activity that combines Latin and international music with dance moves. Grooving to the music beat and losing weight surely sounds fun, which makes Zumba so popular. This Latin-inspired workout is considered as one of the popular group exercises classes in the world. Will the Zumba dance help me lose belly fat? Though Zumba is one of the fast and effective ways to burn belly fat, you should also consult your doctor once before joining these classes. If you've been inactive, have any medical issues, or take any medicines, it is important that you visit your doctor and find out whether a Zumba is suitable for you or not. 3 effective Zumba dance to burn belly fat. Let's begin with a sizzling warm-up to get those muscles ready for action. Follow along. Number 1. Latin groove. It's time to unleash your inner dancer. This Latin-inspired groove will have your heart pumping and those calories melting away. Number 2, hip-hop hustle. Now, let's bring on the hip-hop flavor. This high-intensity segment will sculpt your abs and give you an amazing cardio workout. Number 3, salsa sizzle. Spice things up with some hot salsa moves. You'll feel the burn and see the results as we target that stubborn belly fat. Great job, everyone. Now, let's cool down and stretch those muscles to prevent any soreness. Remember, consistency is key to losing belly fat. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Alpha-Liin weight loss supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like